If you want to make profit in option trading with the help of artificial intelligence, in this video I will explain everything with live proof. To trade in option trading using AI, you will need a prompt. Here you can see a prompt that I have created especially for option trading. With its help, I will not just show you result from a single day, because on a single day you might make a profit. Instead, I will trade continuously for the entire week according to whatever AI shows. Here you can check Nifty running approx 24,585. On AI platform Grok, I paste prompt, and here you can check I enter Nifty current market value and click here for analysis. According the prompt, AI will analyze all the parameters and give you the result. You must need to wait for that. Here you can check AI giving the analysis report, and probability chances are 55% close from the current market value and 35% are below chances. 10% chances are market today close flat. Now I enter close to ATM like 24,600, but on selling basis, for that I add 24,600 PE and put price approx 236.35. So now I enter according to the market order like 300 quantity approx 4 lot, and according to the 4 lot you can check also margin requirement approx 8 lakh. Click on sell button. Here you can check the timing as well as position details, average price of entry, and here is the position details. I trade according to the AI analysis. Here you can check AI said 55% chances are close today market above the current market scenario. That's why I sell the put. If you sell put and market goes up, then you will get benefit. As well as you can also check the full analysis if you want for better understanding. For AI analysis, I take in position. Here you can check. Now time is approx 9:40. According to the AI analysis, still gives positive result. Option market selling is very risky. That's why you must have a stop loss. Like here I trade with 1:3 risk to reward. Middle red line is entry price and above is stop loss and below are target. Here approx 1:3 risk to reward. If put come approx 186, then maybe I will get 1:3 risk to reward. Just few minutes later approx come to 186. Now I want to exit from the position. That's why here you can check approx profit 15,000 plus. Click on 3 dot, then click exit, and here on the market order I exit the position. For that click on buy. Here you can check entry and exit details. If you click on contact notes, here you can get approx charges details according to your trading. According to my trading, brokerage including all charges 175 rupees approx. Here I get approx 16,000 rupees profit.
The next day.
Today is the next day. Here you can check after market open, it's running lower side approx 24,680, and I come to the AI platform Grok and paste here the prompt, and according to your Nifty value as well as your weekly, please replace that and then click on deep search. After that click on search button. Then AI will automatically analyze everything and provide to you final result. Here you can check result have started coming out, and result is 50% maybe chance have market going upside, and downside maybe 30% and flat 20% chance have. According to the AI, I am also going to upside. Click on 3 dot and go to option chain. If market goes upside and if I sell put option, then I can get profit. That's why here I sell around ATM put option. Here ATM approx 24,700 and its premium approx 216. So I click on selling to take into the basket order. Here I take approx 300 quantity, means 4 lot. So here is placed on limit order. For as soon as booking, I go to the market order, then click on the place button. So I have received my order. Here you can check the time of booking order as well as quantity and average price. Here you can check I get profit approx 10,000. Here I try to exit if have little bit more profit. Here you can check the entry and exit time, and we have got profit within approx 1 hour. After enter the prompt, AI analyze and shown 50% chances are market maybe goes upside. According to the AI, market move upside and we sell puts, that's why we get profit. The prompt I used in this video is available in the video description. But if you want even more advanced prompt, I have created 6 special prompts for Nifty covering intraday, weekly and monthly for buying as well as selling analysis. To get access, just visit on my website, the link in the video description. There you will see enroll button. By clicking it and pay rupees 999, you will unlock all 6 advanced prompts instantly. After your payment is confirmed, you will get access to these prompts. After that, simply double click on the prompt to copy it. Then you can paste into your notepad or Word file and save it for your use. Keep in mind, the access on the website is only for 1 month, so it's important that you copy and save the prompts. Once you have them, they are yours forever. Here I tell you one more thing. No one in the stock market can give you 100% of profit. These prompts are not magic formula, but they will give you a powerful AI assisted analysis tool. Normally, doing this kind of analysis manually could take you 1 to 2 hours, but with the AI plus prompt combination, you can get result in just 2 to 4 minutes and often in better, more structured way. That is the real value of this advanced prompt. They save your time, simplify analysis and give you clarity in the trading decision.
The next day.
Today is the next day and here you can check Nifty running approx 24,570 approx, and on the AI platform Grok I paste the prompt and replace the Nifty value according to the current market value and click on deep search, then click on search button. So here you can see the result is coming out. Whenever you search, just confirm whether it is showing the date of the same day you are searching. And when you scroll down, you will find out the probability section. There you need to check of probability of chances. If you want to more details, you can read here. But I focus only on probability of chances. Then here you can check upside 55% chances, downside 35% chances and flat 10% chances. Here I can assume ATM approx 24,600. For upside market, I sell the put option around price 116 and I sell 300 quantity approx 4 lot. Click on sell button. Here I enter approx 931 and other details like 300 quantity approx 110 rupees is entry price. Here you can check after some time I get profit approx 12,000. So one more point, if the option premium is higher, you can take more profit. But I sold at premium 110. The idea is to exit as soon as your target profit is achieved. Looking at the current scenario, I feel my profit is done. So I will try to exit. Here exit. Here you can check the entry and exit details. Today the market is not moving fast as you can see here. But the market has moved upwards just as AI has predicted in the morning. The market has higher chances of going upside. According to that, we made profit approx 12,000 rupees. And here I also showing you the charges. Overall you can check approx 104 rupees. After charges, you can consider it as 12,000 profit. So even today, I worked exactly as the AI suggests and the result is right in front of you.
The next day.
Today also you can see that after a gap up opening, Nifty has moved down and it's currently running around 24,630. Here I paste the AI prompt and replace according to the current Nifty value, and here you can have to enter whichever your expiry date is. Along with this, If you copy Nifty 50 open high lows and add them in the script, you may get even better results. Don't forget to click on deep search and then click on search button. AI gives the result based on the prompt you provide. The better the prompt, the better the chances of getting good results. There is an 80% chance it will stay below 24,700. While analyzing with AI in a highly volatile market scenario, there is a possibility of some up and down movements. Here from the 24,700, 80% chances are today market close below. For that, go to the option chain and here around ATM call side price is above 60 rupees. Here you can see. Here I take 24,700 call and now you can check price approx running 66 rupees. Here also I take 300 quantity means 4 lot and also check margin requirement and click on selling button. Here you can check I enter on the position and on the position you can also check here and on the order you can check time, date, average, price of entry and quantity. After some time you can check here profit approx 11,000 plus. You can check here LTP right now is running quite low and I am getting approx the profit I want, so it's best to exit from here. Here more profit come more than 12,000. Now I try to exit. Today also you can check around 12,700 profit.
The next day.
Today Nifty opened in the pre-market at 24,748 and here is the market depth. Come to the AI platform like Grok and paste the prompt and from there copy the Nifty 50's open low high and previous close and paste into the script and also replace the Nifty 50 current value and here also put current expiry date. After that click on deep search and then click on search button. Here you will have to wait approx 2 to 3 minutes for the result. Here the result is come out. Approx probability of upside 40%, downside 30% and flat also 30%. If you check here, you will find today's result is quite confusing. Till now, I have been focusing on option selling, but in such cases, you can also look at buying. This prompt is based on selling. You can see it's written as selling, but if you want, you can create it for buying too. However, for buying, the script has to be created in a different way. If you need a buying version, let me know in the comment box. I will definitely try to make a video on that too. If you are mainly doing option selling, avoid such days because the probability difference is very small, about 40% upside, 30% downside and 30% flat. Since no clear direction is visible, it's better not to sell on such days. If you calculate the total profit, here in the first trade, the profit was approx 16,125, which you can take as an around 16,000. In the second trade, the profit was approx 14,178, so you can consider it as around 14,000. In the third trade, the profit was approx 12,120, so you can take it as around 12,000. And in the fourth trade, the profit was approx 12,720, so you can take it as around 12,500. Adding all this together, the total profit come to about 54,500.